Hello viewers and welcome to Infoco. Natural remedies are always the best to prevent or treat a disorder. Know your herbs and spices to consume them in order to improve your health. Hope you will enjoy the video. The use of herbs and spices has been incredibly important throughout our history. Modern science has now shown that many of them do indeed carry remarkable health benefits. Many were celebrated for their medicinal properties, well before culinary use. It has been scientifically proven that they have the healing power to do a lot to keep you well and delicious. Here are 10 of the world's healthiest herbs and spices known and consumed for centuries. 1. Garlic, boost immunity and improve heart health. Throughout ancient history, the main use of garlic was for its medicinal properties. Garlic supplementation is well known for combating sickness, including the common cold. If you often get colds, then adding more garlic to your diet could be incredibly helpful. Treatments with garlic extracts, powders and supplements have been found to significantly lower high blood pressure. For those with high cholesterol, garlic supplementation appears to reduce total and/or LDL cholesterol by about 10 to 15%. Human studies have also found garlic supplementation to cause significant reductions in blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. There are also several studies that suggest garlic supplements may help prevent colds and speed recovery. 2. Cinnamon, lowers blood sugar levels. Cinnamon contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which is responsible for cinnamon's medicinal properties. Cinnamon has potent antioxidant activity, helps fight inflammation and has been shown to lower cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood. But where cinnamon really shines is in its effects on blood sugar levels. Cinnamon can lower blood sugar by several mechanisms, including by slowing the breakdown of carbs in the digestive tract and improving insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that cinnamon can lower fasting blood sugars by 10 to 29% in diabetic patients, which is a significant amount. The effective dose is typically 0.5 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon per day, or 1 to 6 grams. 3. Turmeric, treat anti-inflammatory and depression. Turmeric contains several compounds with medicinal properties, the most important of which is curcumin. Curcumin is a remarkably powerful antioxidant, helping to fight oxidative damage and boosting the body's own antioxidant enzymes. Curcumin is also strongly anti-inflammatory, to the point where it matches the effectiveness of some anti-inflammatory drugs. This is important, because oxidative damage is believed to be one of the key mechanisms behind aging and many diseases. Researchers also found evidence that curcumin may be a safe and effective treatment for depression. Studies also found that curcumin can help treat a range of health problems, from minor toothaches to chronic conditions like arthritis, heart disease and diabetes. Researchers are also studying its potential as a treatment for Alzheimer's disease, as well as colon, prostate and breast cancers. 4. Ginger, treat nausea and anti-inflammatory. Ginger is a popular spice used in several forms of alternative medicine. Ginger is well known for easing a queasy stomach. This includes nausea caused by morning sickness, chemotherapy and seasickness. Studies have consistently shown that 1 gram or more of ginger can successfully treat nausea. Ginger also appears to have strong anti-inflammatory properties, and can help with pain management. Ginger is also packed with gingerols, inflammation-fighting compounds which some experts believe may help fight some cancers, reduce osteoarthritis pain and soothe sore muscles. One study in subjects at risk for colon cancer found that 2 grams of ginger extract per day decreased markers for colon inflammation in the same way as aspirin. It had a similar effectiveness as treatment with aspirin or ibuprofen. 5. Cayenne pepper, helps reduce appetite. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which has been shown to reduce appetite and increase fat burning in many studies. The compound gives fresh chilies and spices like cayenne and paprika their kick. For this reason, it is a common ingredient in many commercial weight loss supplements. Studies show capsaicin bumps up the body's metabolic rate, helping you burn slightly more calories. It may also stimulate brain chemicals that help tame hunger. A dash of cayenne pepper with your dinner may give your weight loss efforts a tiny boost, especially if you're not used to spicy stuff. In a 6-week study, 25 people, some spicy food fans, some not, had about a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper with a daily meal. Those who didn't eat spicy foods regularly hungry and had few cravings for sweet, salty and fatty foods. The researchers say it's cayenne's hot taste that leads to the benefits. 6. Sage improves brain function and memory. Sage gets its name from the Latin word salvare, which means to save. Current research indicates that sage may be able to improve brain function and memory, especially in people with Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is accompanied by a drop in the level of acetylcholine, a chemical messenger in the brain. Sage inhibits the breakdown of acetylcholine. From many studies, results have shown that sage can improve memory function in healthy people, both young and old. Sage extract was shown to produce significant improvements in brain function. 7. Peppermint, boost mood, relieve IBS symptoms and ease nausea. Many studies have shown that peppermint oil can improve pain management in irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. It appears to work by relaxing the smooth muscles in the colon, which relieves pain experienced during bowel movements. It has also been shown to reduce nausea after surgery and C-section births. Some studies suggest the scent may also soothe an upset stomach. In one small study, research suggests the minty aroma may help lift mood and sharpen fuzzy thinking. Having a bad day? Brew a pot of peppermint tea. 8. Holy basil helps fight infections and boosts immunity. Not to be confused with regular basil or Thai basil, holy basil is considered a sacred herb in India. Studies show that holy basil can inhibit the growth of a range of bacteria, yeasts and molds. One small study also found that it can boost function of the immune system by increasing certain immune cells in the blood. Holy basil is also linked to reduced blood sugar levels before and after meals, as well as treating anxiety and anxiety-related depression. 9. Oregano, boost heart health and fight infections. These tiny but mighty leaves boast many nutrients, including vitamins K and D, calcium, iron, manganese and fiber. And oregano is sky-high in antioxidants. In fact, an analysis by the American Chemical Society found that just 1 tablespoon of fresh oregano has as much antioxidant activity as a medium apple, and that oregano has 20 times more antioxidant power than many other herbs and 4 times more than blueberries, one of the richest sources of antioxidants around. All that's good news for your heart and more. Antioxidants prevent cell damage caused by free radicals, helping fend off heart disease, stroke and cancer. Plus, oregano has phytonutrients that help fight infections. 10. Rosemary helps prevent allergies and nasal congestion. The active ingredient in rosemary is called rosmarinic acid. This substance has been shown to suppress allergic responses and nasal congestion. In a study with 29 individuals, both 50 and 200 mg doses of rosmarinic acid were shown to suppress allergy symptoms. The number of immune cells in nasal mucus also decreased, with reduced congestion. In addition to that, rosemary is prized both for its flavor and its fragrance, especially when added to your food recipes. To summarize, there are many types of herbs and spices out there and for centuries have been a part of medicinal treatments. We hope that after viewing this video you will be more knowledgeable and particular on your herbs and diet consumption. However, consumption must be done in moderate amount. Overconsumption can cause side effects or interact with medications. Always notify your doctor about any herbal supplements you take. Share your thoughts and comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, Hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also be sure to check out other of our videos as well. Thank you for watching.